Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by Dibesh sir. My name is Dibesh Raut and I am going to teach NCERT chapter number 3, lecture number 3. Before starting the class, let us recall the previous video. We have discussed about what is transpose of matrix, symmetric matrix, Q-symmetric matrix, then properties of transpose of matrix. So for better understanding, check the I button to see the full video lecture of my previous video. So uh, let us do some example first. If a is equal to 2 minus 1 5 3 2 minus 4 minus 6 3 8, then obtain a plus 80 and a minus 80. So first we have to find a transpose first. So a transpose, clearly row changes to column and column changes to row. Better write column changes to row. That is 2 3 minus 6 minus 1 2 3 5 minus 4 8. This is our A transpose. Now let's find A plus 80. A plus 80. A plus 80 means this plus this. 2 plus 2, that is what? 4. Minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. 5 minus 6, that is minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. Minus 6 plus 5, again minus 1. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 8 plus 8, 16. So this is our A plus 80. Next, A minus 80. A minus 80. This minus this. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. 5 minus minus plus 6, that is 11. 3 minus minus 1, that is 4. 2 minus minus 2, that is 0. Minus 4 minus 3, minus 7. Minus 6 minus 5, minus 11. 3 minus minus 4, that is 7. 8 minus 8, that is 0. Now if you check A is equal to this, then A plus 80 is symmetric. See here, 4 4 16, then this this is 2, this is also 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, minus 1, means it is a symmetric matrix. Now A minus 80 is skew symmetric. For skew symmetric, principal diagonal must be 0 and the entity here will be additive inverse, that is minus 4 4 and 11, minus 11 minus 7 7. So this is our answer. Next question. Question number 2. Solve cosec theta, that is cosec theta minus cot theta, cot theta minus cosec theta plus cot theta minus cot theta minus cosec theta, cosec theta, cot theta. So here we have to multiply this with all the entities, that is it becomes cosec square theta minus cot theta cosec theta, cot theta cosec theta, cosec theta cot theta, cosec theta cot theta minus cosec square theta. Then plus this with all the entities, that is minus cot square theta, cot theta cosec theta minus cot theta cosec theta, then cot square theta. Now if you add this with this, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is 1. This with this is cancel out 0. This with this cancel out 0. This with this minus 1. This is our final answer. Next, third, if Aij is equal to I minus 2j whole square divided by 3, then obtain Aij 2 cross 2. So here Aij 2 cross 2 means A11, A12, A121, A22. This is our general format for Aij 2 cross 2. I is 1, j is 1. So we know the formula, that is Aij is equal to I minus 2j. So first find A11. A11, that is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 square. 1 minus 2 whole square by 3, that is clearly 1 by 3. A12, that is 1 minus 2 2s are 4 whole square by 3. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 whole square, 9 by 3, 3. Next, A21, 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 2 whole square divided by 3, that is 0. Next, A22, that is 2 minus 4 whole square by 3, that is minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means 4 by 3. So final answer is A is equal to, that is A11, that is 1 by 3. Next, 12, that is minus 3. Next, no, sorry, it is only 3. Next, A21, that is 0. Next, 4 by 3. This is our final answer. Next question. Question number 4. If x plus y, xy minus 8, 3 is equal to 6, 8, minus 8, 3. Then find x and y. So here we can equate both the matrices, that is x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 8. Now we know the formula, that is x minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So putting the value, that is 6 square minus 4 into 8, that is 36 minus 32, that is 4. So x minus y whole square is equal to 4. So x minus y is equal to clearly plus or minus 2. Now taking one value of x minus y with x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y, let's take only 2, then y cancel out. So 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. So clearly x is equal to 4 means y is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. Next, x plus y is equal to 6. Take another value of x minus y, that is x minus y is equal to minus 2. So add both of them, y cancel out, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. This is our final answer. Next, question number 5. If a is equal to diag 1 minus 1 2, b is equal to diag 3 2 1, then find b minus a and 2a plus 3b. So a is equal to diag 1 minus 1 2, then a can be written as 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 2, and b is equal to diag 3 2 1. It means 3 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 1. So we have to find b minus a. b minus a. b minus a means this minus this, that is 2 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 2 minus minus 1 3 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 2 minus 1. This is our b minus a. Next, 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b means we have to multiply first 2 with a, that is 2 0 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 4 plus 3b, 3 times of b, that is 9 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 3. Now simply add both of them. 2 plus 9, that is 11 0 0 0 0 0 minus 2 plus 6, that is 4 0 0 0 7. This is our final answer. Next question. Question number 6. Solve x square y square minus 4 times of 2x y is equal to minus 7 12. So here first multiply 4 with this, that is x square y square minus 8x 4y is equal to minus 7 12. So here we can write that x square minus 8x is equal to minus 7, first one. Then y square minus 4y is equal to 12, second one. So by solving first and second, we can get the value of x and y, that is x square minus 8x is equal to minus 7, or x square minus 8x is plus 7 is equal to 0. So we can split middle term, that is x square minus 7x minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x, taking x as common, x minus 7 left, minus 1 as common, x minus 7 left is equal to 0. Again taking x minus 7 common, so x minus 1 left is equal to 0. So x minus 7 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 7. Similarly, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. This is the value of x. Now for y, solve y square minus 4y is equal to 12, or y square minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So y square minus 6y plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. That is taking y common, y minus 6, taking 2 common, y minus 6 left is equal to 0. Taking again y minus 6 common, then 1 y plus 2 left is equal to 0. Then we can write y minus 6 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6. And here again 1 y plus 2 is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 2. This is our final answer. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any feedback or comment regarding video, then do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.